What's up guys, welcome to the channel, and if you're watching this video, it probably means you're a little bit curious about credit. So let's dive right in. So bad credit. What comes with bad credit? With bad credit, you can get approved for a lot of things, and a lot of the times when you're younger, it doesn't matter. When you're 18, 19, 20, you don't really care. But once you start hitting 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and the rest of your life, it's super important. Right now I'm 25, so credit is crucial for me. So let's dive right in with the problems that come with bad credit. So one of the common things that I get from my clients is, hey, I can't get approved for an apartment, so I can't move in. With good credit, easy approvals. They don't even ask you questions when you got a 700. Another thing, they get denied for credit cards. It's so simple. As long as you have a 700 credit score, you're going to get approved for every credit card that you apply. But if you have a 500, a 600 credit score, you're definitely getting denied. Here's a big one. With bad credit, you get high interest rates. So I'll probably put up a chart or something. This is the difference when you have good credit versus bad credit. You pay more interest and your monthly payment is way higher. I don't have this problem too much, but I have other clients who can't get approved for homes. I'm 25, so a lot of people my age aren't buying homes yet, but I do have some older clients who come to me and like, hey, I want to fix my credit because I can't get a home yet. So that may be a problem for you in the future. If it's a problem for you right now, me and my team can take care of it. And then one of the main reasons I started my credit repair company was for funding. So I have a funding company and I have clients who come in with horrible credit. And the thing that I do is fix their credit, and then they can get approved for 50, 100, 150,000 in zero interest funding to scale their business. So with all these problems, there's one solution, one easy solution. And the solution is credit repair. So what's the process like with credit repair? It's super easy. When you come with us, me and my team are in charge of removing all negative items on your credit report. So it can be collections, charge-offs, repos, pretty much anything except bankruptcy and late payments. We can't remove bankruptcy because you went to court, you said you didn't have money. We can't remove that. That stays in your record for 7, 11 years, whichever one you have. And the next one is late payments. We can't remove late payments, guys. Those are the hardest things. Whoever tells you they can, it's a scam. Don't listen to them. Don't pay, because nobody can remove late payments. So what happens after we remove all the negative items? So for some clients, as soon as we remove negative items, they're good to go. They go from a 650 to a 720, and they go and apply for whatever they want to apply. Some clients, after we remove all the negative items, they have no credit. So what do we have to do is we have to implement accounts that will boost your credit. So there's two things that we usually put. One is self, the other is ClickUp. They do the exact same thing. So what do? They pretty much report to the credit bureaus that you are paying on time. So we recommend clients, hey, put a $5 monthly payment, do a $50 monthly payment. I think it goes up to $100, and all you're doing is paying back yourself. So you choose an amount. If it's $1,000 for 12 months straight, you're paying 90 something bucks. And at the end of the term, you get almost all the money back, but the whole 12 months are reporting to the credit bureau. Hey, he paid on time. Hey, he paid on time. Hey, he paid on time. And what does that do? It boosts your credit score. Another thing we tell clients to do is pay off debt. Some clients come to us and they're asking for credit repair, and they're ready to spend $1,200 on credit repair, but their problem is credit utilization. So like they might owe $1,000 on a credit card, and all they have to do is pay off the $1,000 and they're good to go. So if your problem is credit utilization, just pay down your credit cards. And I know sometimes there's not enough, you don't have enough money to pay it down, so there's alternative options like adding a trade line. Let's say you want to apply for a house and you have 90% credit utilization, you can buy a trade line that's gonna pretty much offset the balance. So if you owe $5,000, you buy a trade line with $30,000, and now your credit utilization goes from 90% to 10%, and your credit score goes through the roof. But those are things that don't last. You can only have that for 1 or 2 months. So if you're applying for something, that's the route to go. But if you want to have a long-term credit growth, just pay your credit card down. And then the last thing is don't miss more payments. So if you come and get credit repair and we're fixing everything, do not miss a payment. What's the point of fixing it if you're just going to ruin it again? Guys, if you're getting credit repair, you're removing all these things, you're doing everything to help your credit, do not miss a payment. That's the worst thing you can do. A missed payment can get you down by 50 points. So if you're doing credit repair, make sure to never miss a payment again. And then the benefits. What are the benefits with having good credit? Pretty much all the problems are gone. You get approved for everything. The car that you wanted, you get approved for. The home that you want, you get approved for. That apartment that you've been looking at, you get approved for. Absolutely everything. You get good interest rates. So we'll go back to the chart. So see the difference between a bad credit score and a good credit score. You save money over time. It might seem like a little, but it's a lot in the long run, especially when you're thinking about a house or a car. You save so much money. And then the last thing, if you're a business person, you qualify for funding. Imagine having good credit, and with that good credit, you can get $50,000, $100,000, $150,000 of zero interest funding just because you have good credit. It blows my mind. So if you want to get started in credit repair, if you're looking at these problems and you might be thinking, hey, I have some of those problems, DM me on Instagram, send me a message to my personal number. Me and my team can get started as soon as possible. And honestly, our offer changed. Before we were charging $1,200 a month. Now it's a $250 deposit and $150 monthly after that. You guys were asking us to change the pricing and we did it. So take advantage of it. We helped hundreds of people all last year and now I'm ready to help you. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, send me a DM on Instagram.